Good morning, guys, and Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed yesterday, and I hope you are fine. So we are back again since it's towards month end. Today is the 26th. So that day we did very well on the 24th, and I said to you guys, I'm giving you Christmas, and I did give you Christmas, like perfectly. So what I'm going to do today, going to continue with the strategies that we used that day. We're going to say 44 plus 47 plus 55, which will give us a what? A 146. 146. The first quote is 146. All together. Okay, and then we go again and say 24 plus 35 plus 55, which will give us 114. So our quote now is, let me see, our quote is 146, 114, perfectly. So we do exactly what we normally do every day. We're going to add and subtract. I'm going to say 1 plus 14, we get 15. 1 minus 14, we get 13. Then we say 1 plus 46, that's a 47. 1 minus 46 is a 45. So it's all above the 40s, but which is fine. We're not going to complain. So now our code is broken. Then if our code is broken now, we're going to go spot the numbers that are supposed to drop today. Especially here, they'll just say 14 plus 6 to give us a 20. So a 20 is a good number, and a 15 that I get at the bottom there, because there's a 20 up there on the side. So there's a 45 as well. You know what they did that day? They took 4 numbers from the first chord. So the trick now is we just have to be careful in pairing, because if you put on Dremel, sometimes you might skip the ones that you're supposed. But if you put all these numbers, like let me say you put 7 numbers on Dremel and do 2 numbers, definitely you are winning. Or 3 numbers, definitely you are going to win, because the Dremel will automatically pair each and everything that you see there, as you can see. So we are left today, this number is either 2014 or 2015, or let me say, yes, 2015. One of those numbers must drop today, because 7, 9, let me see, just want to track something here. This one played, this one played, this one played, this one played. So another number that you can play is 21, 15. You play it as a 21, 15. Yes, that number can drop today. And then remind you, there's 46 there, there's 14, there's 45. Actually, our banker is 14 today. Our banker should be 14. 14 should be the banker. Then maybe we can say 14, 21, 15. Never know who's presenting. If it's a Helen, then what she does, I always say this to you guys: 20, 14. Helen loves to do that, like 2014, because I see that quote is saying to me that 47 can repeat and 45 can also drop. So in between those blade lines, which should be 1915, 1521. But we crash the 19, then we focus on this one. What if these guys decide to bring back this 19 because it was a bonus that day? Or they decide to say 15, 17, 21 is a 3 number. It might be a lucky day today, then you just hit a 3 number on the 26th. Then you know that you at least got something. Understand? So, yeah, guys, this is what it is. We're not going to reverse. We're not reversing. So what I'm recommending you guys to do is, if you don't have voucher today, just study these methods. Study them. Instead of just saying I don't have voucher on focus, just study. You see. So guys, as I told you, Christmas ends today for the books. The discount ends today because it's still Christmas, though just yesterday, but today is still Christmas box. which is it's ending today. So inbox me from that link that I'm gonna leave in the first comment. It's a WhatsApp link. Just click that link there, then you will see, you will let me know which one you want, because I've got different kind of books for different draws. So yeah, thank you very much guys, I appreciate